Kaiserschmarrn, the famous Austrian shredded pancake. Hello everyone, I'm Marcus from Culinarisch. This delicious dessert, also eaten as brunch in Austria, is named after the Austrian emperor, who was really fond of the shredded and broken pancake. How it is created? There are many legends about it, but the name makes sense because Kaiser means emperor and Schmarrn means shredded or mishmash. You can translate it to imperial mishmash. If you watch the video to the end, you will see why they call it shredded. The original Kaiserschmarrn contains these ingredients: 4 eggs, 200 grams all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons raisins, 400 ml whole milk, a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons sugar for the batter, 1 tablespoon sugar for caramelizing, 2 tablespoons butter and a little bit vanilla extract. But I always add an apple and some chopped almond to it. First things first, we heat up the oven to 180 degrees. For this batter you need to separate the egg yolk from the white. I show you 2 ways to do this. The tricky way is separating the yolk using the eggshell. Be careful to not damage the yolk. If just a wee bit of yolk is inside the white, you can't beat it to snow anymore. The easy way, on the other hand, is cracking the whole egg inside the bowl and then lift the egg yolk gently with the hand and let the white excess run through your fingers. Then get the yolk into another bowl. As simple as that. Now I mix the egg yolk with sugar. Then I add the milk, almond, vanilla and salt. Finally add the flour slowly while whisking the batter. Like you see, I whisk it part by part to prevent lumps in my batter. You should avoid whisking aggressively, take your time. Beat the egg white stiff. You can also add a pinch of salt into it. I put the egg white aside and cut the apple into small pieces. When you cut something round like an apple, first make a cut on one side to create a flat surface to lay on a cutting board for more stability. Always use a kind of apple with sour taste and stronger texture for cooking and baking. Here in Europe, Boskop is the favorite cooking apple, but there are others with a similar quality if you don't have Boskop. Heat up the pan and meanwhile mix the egg white into the batter. Do this smoothly to prevent the air out of the beaten egg white. Get half of the butter into the pan and let it melt on medium heat. Now add the batter into the pan with one move. After 2 minutes on medium heat, add the raisins and apple pieces and then place the pan in the preheated oven for 15 minutes. Do not open the oven during this time. Take the pancake out after 15 minutes, then you can move to the next step. You have to flip the pancake to brown the top side as well. Don't panic, it's an easy task, because you can quarter the cake and flip each piece separately. It's Kaiserschmarrn after all. You will shred it anyway. I use the rest of the butter to brown the flipped side. After about 4 minutes, start to shred the pancake into big chunks. Then add the sugar for caramelizing and leave it on medium heat for about 2 minutes. Before I take my delicious Kaiserschmarrn from the heat, I whip some cream and make a coffee. They go well with the dessert. You do it too. I plated my pancake and sprinkled it with powdered sugar. The texture is really spongy and tender. This dessert can be served with cream, applesauce, or roasted prune plum compote. If you like the recipe, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.